Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to enable startup sound in Windows 11. So just follow some easy steps. Firstly click on start, then type here control panel. Open control panel. Now here select view by as large icons, then click on sound. Now here guys click on sounds and turn on this option play Windows startup sound. So you have to select this option play Windows startup sound, then click on apply, then click on OK, then click on OK. Now close it and restart. So guys, in just 2 steps we can enable startup sound in Windows 11. Open control panel, then sound, and here select and check this box play Windows sound startup, then apply, then OK. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.